Friends, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about this wig before I throw it in the trash. And unfortunately, I'll either have to give it to my daughter, oldest daughter, or throw it in the trash. So first of all, I bought the wig from my beauty supply store. And they have these $19.99 units. And I bought it for $19.99. And it came out to $21.39 with tax. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I did a post on Instagram in the store because the wigs look like it's a rent-a-wig store. The wigs on display are horrible. You cannot tell what they look like. It looks like somebody has worn them and bought them back. It looks exactly like they're running a rent-a-wig store. So I finally found one that I like based on the stock card. Now, I know that a lot of times the units are never what they are on the stock card, but I felt like this one would be flat and good. You guys, this is like a Farrah Fawcett wig. Number one, I bought blonde, $27.30. I saw the 4, but I thought the 4 was mixed in. The only blonde on this wig is on the bottom. Y'all know I don't wear no dark hair. I've been playing with this wig all day long. So look at all of this dark hair in the front of this wig. I would not have purchased this wig had I known that the whole full front face of the wig is dark. So the length of the wig is very long. Falls right here. And in the back, it falls below my bra strap. So the wig is extremely long. Okay. And it's more of a Farrah Fawcett vibe than it is anything else. I mean, this is not this wig. All right. So maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's my fault. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this wig to the middle like the mannequin, because if I can get this to act right, I can probably get at least 2 weeks out of it. I'm not using any got to be glued. It is not glued to my head, okay? It's not glued, it's just on. There are combs, and there's a strap and a comb in the back. So, all right, so that's probably more like the stock card, right? Okay, that's more like the stock card. Now, I didn't bring my brush back in here. I have my mousse in here because I like flat. I really like flat. And I don't like to do too much to my units. I don't like to pluck. It's been a long time. What has it been? A couple of months since I gave y'all a video on a synthetic unit, because I really prefer the human ones. I don't like all that. Everything everybody else does with all that darn plucking and baby hairs and putting it on and style. That's not me. I want to put a unit on and I want to go. I just want to put it on and go. I don't want to, and what I was trying to do was find a simple wig to wear most of the month of February. And then I have another new wig that I would have pulled out for March. And then I have my birthday wig. All right, I'm trying to make this work. So what I think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go back to the beauty supply store and purchase this wig in the 613, the color that's on the stock card, like the blonde color. I think I'm going to purchase it in that, because what's throwing me off majorly from this wig is the color. Of course, my husband was like, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. You look good. You look good in dark hair. Dark hair makes me look older. And I don't know if y'all see it, but dark hair makes me look older, number one. Number two, I don't like a lot of hair in my face. So I'm going to put this in a ponytail. Okay. So the middle part may work better for me. But I'm going to put this in a ponytail. See, I don't like how the layered part keeps coming out. Stop coming out. And that's why I had it tied down. But I moosed it. Okay. I'm working, y'all. I'm working. I'm going to mousse it again. It did come with lace on the front. I cut the lace off. It did not come with baby hairs, just a lace. No baby hairs. I'm not a baby hair person. Like, honestly, I feel like I'm too old to do the baby hair thing. We did that back in the day. It was what it was. To each his own. I understand that baby hairs are back in style, and I understand that's what everybody's doing. I'm not. I just want this to lay down. My mirror's over there, but I feel a hair. All right. I am not a baby hair person. Okay. I don't want baby hairs. Baby hair is long gone from this head. Okay? Long gone from this head. Any baby hairs I had, they gone. They gone. So, the reason why I like getting synthetic units sometimes is because, you know, it's an easy fix. They go on, they fit good. You don't have to glue them down, which I don't glue my regular units down anyways, but I do use the Got To Be glue. But this one right here, these fit so tight and snug that I don't have to use the Got To Be glue spray. I can basically just come home at night and take it off. Just like pull it off and put it on my mannequin head. I don't have to do nothing else to it. It's just pull it off and put it on my mannequin head. So, unfortunately, this one will probably be a waste because I don't know how long I'm going to be able to wear dark hair. I know if you've been following me for a long time, you guys are probably like, whoa, because when is the last time you seen me in some dark hair? Long time ago. So, I think I'm going to go back and actually get the 613 that this comes in. If I can get this to work where it lays down on the sides, I don't like all of those layers. Do you see how the layers are sticking out? I don't like that. Like, I don't like that. But what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to gel it. And I think I'm going to cut it. Because the only thing, I'm bringing y'all down something to see. The only things that bothers me about synthetic units is they make them so full and curly on the bottom. They make them so full and curly to the point where they get tangled up very quickly, mushy very quickly, tangled up very quickly. So I think I'm going to cut some of that back off because that's too much. But it does say cut off the excess lace, place the tape on the edge of your hairline, and then once the remaining lace, apply glue. Like I said, I cut the lace off. This is the box that it came in. Okay, here's the lace. There was not a lot of lace that I cut off, so I cut the lace off of it. Here's the stock card. I have tried to find this collection online just by searching the name and stuff, but I have not been able to find it, so I don't have to go to that beauty supply store and buy it. I haven't been able to find it. It does say I can use lukewarm water when washing and apply a small amount of shampoo, rinse with cool water, and let it blot dry, and the curl will set back once it's completely dry. But I am going to cut some of this off. I'm probably going to put it on baby girl's head so I can cut it directly, but I'm going to cut some of this off. because I feel like it's just going to start looking nappy. And what I feel like happens with these is your wig will look nice at the top and it'll look nappy at the bottom. And I hate that. I hate when your wig look all nice and silky at the top, and then when you get right here to the bottom, it's all bunched up and matted up and curled up and stuff. Can't stand it. So I'm going to play around with her a little bit, and if I can find a way to make this work for me, then I'm going to get the blonde one, and I will come back and do a video for y'all on the blonde one. If you have a unit you think I should try, you think I would love, put it down in the beauty bar down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.